Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2022 Hot Wheels. Today we have the Snowstormer. And we've opened up another Snowstormer not too long ago. It's from the Hot Wheels Rescue Series number 3 of 10 and number 145 of 250 on the air. The last one we opened was a white-wheeled Snowstormer. Fearless and fast to respond, these vehicles save the day. That's what the Hot Wheels Rescue Series is. And we have a 2021 copyright. Let's get this out of the package. See how cool it is. It's got the LA Laker colors, purple and yellow. And this one has wheels on it. The Snowstormer actually has wheels. So we do have a track in the back there. We're going to check it out and see if it rolls cool. And we'll do our drifting on a different day. That purple you're looking at is all metal, and the bottom is plastic. This vehicle is made in Malaysia. Gray wheels. All the yellow is plastic. All the gray is plastic. Purple is metal. Let's see what we got here. Woohoo! Nice smooth roller. Once it hit the snow, we got snow in the wheels. Wow! Right into the snow. Ready? Let's see if we can get a shot of it going into the snow. Ready? It kind of disappears. Nice. Nice vehicle, though. Nice roller. We got about 1.5 feet of snow here in New Hampshire. At least my part of New Hampshire. Thanks for checking out the video with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And till next time. T10 out.